If your key fob to your Town and Country minivan stopped working, try these two things before you spend around $350 getting a new one from the dealership. There are two common problems. One is because the battery is dying, and the other is because the buttons in your key fob are not making good contact with the circuit board. I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace the battery. In another video, I'll show you the other fix you can try. First, you need to take the key out by sliding this button to the side. You see this big hole? That's where the key goes. What you want to do is take your mini screwdriver and stick it into the tiny hole next to it to pry apart the top and the bottom of the key fob. Take out the battery. This key fob takes CR2032 battery. You can buy a replacement battery for around $2 from Amazon and even cheaper than that from eBay. I got this one from eBay for just $1.17 and free shipping. Stick the new battery in with the label side facing down. Now, to put the key fob back together, you need to make sure that the two pieces are perfectly aligned and that you're not getting some rubber piece in between. You won't be able to snap them back together if they're not aligned well, and you'll feel some rubber getting in the way. The links for the batteries are in the description box below. The link to the other video is also in the description box below. Lastly, if you need to get a new fob after all, I would recommend that you go to an independent car locksmith who can program the key fob for you. That should save you at least $100.